this is Tony, and I am at the Coronado Beach in San Diego. And I am about to put my feet into the Pacific Ocean for the very first time. So, here I go. Feels awesome. I almost dropped you in the water. Oh, that feels so good. And, I'm really surprised at how warm the water is. As you know, I'm from New England, and the Atlantic Ocean is always cold. So this is such a treat. Living in Wyoming, I really do miss the ocean. I love the mountains, and I love the quiet there, but I do miss the ocean, and so this is really a special treat for me to be here. I'm trying to soak up as much as I can. Goodbye, Coronado Beach. It was pure joy visiting you. All right. Bye.